Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ZTE Blade A72S. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and then install free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to. To close it, select OK. Following that, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Also on A72S, you need to tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Android smartphone. From it, you can select all of those categories located at the top and choose all of your files that you want to transfer. When you finished, hit on Send next to select it. I will go with only one photo, so I have to click and tap on Send then. Over here, just tap on Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on ZTE. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key to Input key section, you need to click on it, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and this time connect by tapping on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!